Hello guys! Today we will create a tier list of the best tools in HIPAA Sandbox. There are a total of 21 tools, with one old tool. The first tool is Remove Tool. Remove Tool is Tier B. Next tool is Duplicate Tool. Duplicate Tool is Tier S. Next tool is Wire Tool. Wire Tool is Tier S. Next tool is Button Tool. Button Tool is Tier S. Next tool is Logic Gate Tool. Logic Gate Tool is Tier A. Next tool is Timer Tool. Timer Tool is Tier A. Next tool is Spawner Tool. Spawner Tool is Tier A. Next tool is Remover Tool. Next tool is Repulsor Tool, and Repulsor Tool is Tier B. Next tool is Simple Nextbot Tool. Simple Nextbot Tool is Tier B. Next tool is Nextbot Tool. Nextbot Tool is Tier B. Next tool is Monitor Controller Tool. Monitor Controller Tool is Tier A. Next tool is Monitor Tool. Monitor Tool is Tier SS+. Next tool is Mover Tool. Mover Tool is Tier S. Next tool is Local Rotator Tool. Local Rotator Tool is Tier A. Next tool is Local Mover Tool. Local Mover Tool is Tier C. Next tool is Trigger Tool. Trigger Tool is Tier A. Next tool is Lamp Tool. Lamp Tool is Tier C. Next tool is Password Panel Tool. Password Panel Tool is Tier S. Next tool is Spawn Point Tool. Spawn Point Tool is Tier S. And last tool is Password Panel Old Tool. Password Panel Old Tool is Tier SS. No. Password Panel Old Tool is OG tier. Okay, see you again, bye y'all.